We work with people relocating to San Francisco from all around the world, and one of the top questions I get asked is, if I'm single or a couple wanting to be in the heart of the AI revolution, where would I want to be? Well, I've got the answer for you today, and it's tied to an incredible new listing that just hit the market of mine at 1 Daniel Burnham. This region and location puts you right in the pulse of San Francisco's tech scene, surrounded by innovation, culture, and some of the best amenities in the city. Stay tuned because I'm going to take you on a tour of why this area and the particular property is the best place to live if you want to be the epicenter of it all. All right, let's set the stage. San Francisco is the beating heart of the AI revolution. Think massive multi-billion-dollar companies that have or expanded their real estate footprint here, like OpenAI, Anthropic, xAI, Scale AI, and countless startups pushing the boundaries of this revolution. So if you're someone who thrives on that energy, you don't want to be stuck out in the suburbs. You want to be in the city. Now, not everyone wants to live exactly where they work though. So what are popular areas for people to consider that are close, but you still got plenty of things to do for dining and for nightlife? Now imagine here, just being walking distance to all sorts of great places like Polk Street. We will show you momentarily about Pacific Heights. We will also show you all of the fantastic arts and culture when it comes to San Francisco Opera, where you can have also world-class museums and the SF Jazz. Perhaps you love Japanese or Asian food. JapanTown is just a few minutes walking away. This is the kind of location that makes you feel plugged into the city's soul. Welcome to Pack Heights, where you're gonna have luxury meeting breathtaking views. Now, this whole neighborhood is all about elegance and charm, so you're gonna be able to picture stunning Victoria homes, tree-lined streets, and the buzz of Fillmore's streets, upscale boutiques and cafes, which is perfect for those enjoying a morning coffee or an evening night out. You don't want to miss out on Lafayette Park so that you can have a peaceful escape with panoramic bay views. This is the place if you want to be in one of the most prestigious addresses in all of San Francisco. The architecture here is going to tell a story of timeless beauty, pulling you with every stroll. In addition, Alta Plaza Park is going to offer tennis courts and skyline vistas that never get old. The Lion Street Steps are a local favorite, challenging your fitness with a rewarding photo op at the very top. Whether it's the quiet sophistication or the proximity to some of the city's best dining, this area blends high-end living with a laid-back feel. Now, let's head out to JapanTown, which is a cultural gem bursting with flavor and tradition. This vibrant enclave boasts authentic sushi spots like in Nijiya Market and cozy ramen joints all throughout. Stroll through this Peace Pagoda or catch a common festival at Japan Center for a true taste of the community spirit here. With unique shops and a welcoming vibe, this is a hidden treasure for those craving a blend of heritage and modern city life without having to fly across the Pacific Ocean. Now, with all this flexibility, you may assume you need to spend millions of dollars for a home here, but that's where I'm going to bust that myth. A studio runs at $570,000, and trust me, it's worth every penny for the location and upgrades. Let me show you why our latest listing is such a catch. Welcome to 1 Daniel Burnham Unit 407. This studio is sleek, modern, and thoughtfully upgraded, perfect for a single techie or a power couple. Right off the bat, you're gonna notice the seamless layout. Back in 2016, the owners took down a dividing wall over here to open up the floor plan, and it's a game changer. The floors itself were replaced that same year, so goodbye carpet and hello sleek hardwood. And the kitchen and bathroom were fully remodeled with high-end finishes. You've got floor-to-ceiling windows with a cozy nook offering a 180-degree view of San Francisco. Think Bay Bridge, downtown skyline, and those iconic hills. It's the kind of view that makes you stop and stare every single day. This kitchen is a stunner. New cabinets, countertops, appliances, all flowing effortlessly into the living room. But the real magic, what I like the most about this place, while it is a studio, they did a fantastic job to be able to have this brand new sliding glass wall. It's unique to this unit because not every studio here has it. It's a fantastic design and perfect for hosting friends or just hanging around solo. But what about storage? Check out this walk-in closet. Plenty of room for your gear, whether it's tech gadgets or your Polk Street shopping haul. Now, when we step outside the unit, the building's amenities will seal this deal. There's a spa, sauna, and a pool with jaw-dropping views of the San Francisco skyline. Imagine unwinding there after a long day coding or brainstorming the next big AI breakthrough. Plus, you got a 24/7 security guard, so you're always covered. If you want to be in the heart of all this action, you can't find a better place than here. If you're looking to buy or sell anywhere in the San Francisco Bay Area, my team and I want to be your go-to resource. Hit us up at 408-547-4590. See you in the next video.